Hello, guys. Hello.
Find the best return for your savings on bonkers.ie. Hi, I'm Dara from bonkers.ie. Are you looking for a better return on your savings?
Sorry.
Better return on your
Uh-oh. How are you guys doing? It's, sorry. sorry.
savings? Sorry.
Can you hear
Better
me?
return on your
Uh-oh. Please help me share. As you're coming in, help me share, okay? Please. I love you guys. Help me share. We're going to talk today about a topic that is very dear to my heart. Very, very dear to my heart. Trying to adjust the lights so it's not too bright. Now, as you're coming in, please help me share this, okay? Help me share it, please. I love you. And make sure you click the thumbs up button as well. Hello, Rita and Magdalene. How are you all doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, as you're coming in, please help me share this, okay? Help me. So, this topic today is so dear to my heart. Okay? It's a topic that I wish that more people will talk about it. I wish that more people will talk about it. Please, as you're coming, give this live a thumbs up. Help me share this. And also, see where the dollar sign is there. You can give like a super thanks to support this channel. Any amount is okay. Nothing too small, nothing too big. Thank you so much. Now, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Chika Kelly, and this is Chikeli Beauty. And Chika Kelly is a certified esthetician, okay, of about roughly almost 15 years now, if I can put it that way. Yeah, so I'm a certified esthetician, and this Chikeli Beauty is about skincare. We talk about skincare here, how to look after your skin. Now, our topic today in this streaming is about skin bleaching. Okay, we're gonna talk about skin bleaching. We're gonna talk about the dark truths. So I'm going to be as honest as I can be. I'm going to be as brutal as I can be. And I'm going to be as loving and caring as I can be. Truth must be told at the right time to the right audience. And I'm sure when you saw the thumbnail, you clicked, and I know there's a reason you clicked. It's either you have done skin bleaching, you are thinking of doing skin bleaching, or you know someone that is doing it or that has done it, or maybe you just want to know what it's about. Yeah. So we are basically going to discuss everything in detail, as short as we can be. Okay. Now, for those of you that uh, wants to know anything, if you want to maybe leave a question here, if you want to contribute to the streaming, because my live streaming, I always want contributions from anybody that can, whatever you know about it. If it's something that you want to talk about, if it's you know someone that's doing skin bleaching, or you've experienced it with someone that you know, and if you even yourself and you want to talk about your experience, or you want to leave a message there, or any question that is relating to some of the side effects that will be mentioned here, and you want a solution for it. We may not necessarily have solution for everything, but we'll try. Okay. Now, talking about skin bleaching right now. Skin bleaching is basically when you use some skincare products, the likes of creams, the likes of soaps, gel, or chemicals to change your skin color to another shade. So your skin color will go from the shade that is the natural one that God gave you to a totally different color, and that color will not be darker. That color will be lighter and lighter and lighter, and as lighter as you can get. Okay, so changing of your skin color from your natural skin color to totally 3 to 4 shades to 5, 6 shades lighter than what your normal skin color should be. That is what skin bleaching is about. Okay, this particular video is necessarily not going to be about the solution. I just want to talk about the dark truth behind it, because I noticed that if you go on this platform here, there is a lot of videos out there encouraging people to bleach their skin. They encourage you, telling you use this particular product, it will make you lighter, use this, it will make you lighter, use this, it will make you lighter. But they are not telling you about the long time side effects of it. Please, as you're coming in, give this live a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, please. A thumbs up means you like it. You click the like button and you like. Okay, see the thumbs up button there, just give it a thumbs up. So they are not particularly telling you this is the side effect of what they're prescribing. And the annoying part of it right now is this issue of organic skincare products that seems to be popularized for no reason, and nobody's taking out their time to actually do some investigation to know, are these skincare products actually organic? Because when you say something is organic, it means everything inside is natural, it's not going to damage your skin, or even when you eat it in your mouth, there's no pesticide, there's no parabens, no silicone, no fragrance, nothing. It's organic. But the organic that we are seeing right now is not the organic when you use it. Organic skincare products that have marketed themselves as organic has damaged a lot of people's skin. Okay? We're gonna talk about, is it really advisable to change your skin color? Is it really advisable to be light, lighter than your natural skin color. There is a reason you have that particular skin color. There's a reason your melanin is like that. Okay? Because skincare products that changes your natural skin color, what happens is they interfere with the cells that produces your melanin. They inhibit the cell from doing its work. They inhibit it. And this is why your skin now will now produce less melanin, and this is why you go from a darker shade to a more lighter shade. And you ask yourself, is it healthy? When I talk about skin bleaching, I tell people all the time, I do not judge anyone that changes their skin color. I don't judge them because most people actually do it out of ignorance. Most people do it out of ignorance. They don't know that, oh, this particular skincare product I'm using is actually not good. It's going to damage my skin because that particular skincare product has been advertised. Has been advertised. See. Oh, it's dark, isn't it? Is it too dark? I think it's dark. Because the light seems to be a little bit too much, isn't it? I think this one is fine. This is much better. See? So most people, most of all these companies out there, when they want to advertise their skincare product, they don't tell you what they have inside of it, especially all this organic thing. Okay, so what I was saying before was that when you change the when you inhibit your skin from producing enough melanin to protect your skin barrier, because there's a reason that melanin is being produced. It will help to protect your skin barrier. And when you try to inhibit that forcefully, okay, when you try to inhibit that forcefully, that is usually consequences. There's usually a side effect. Okay, let me go this way. There's usually side effects. It doesn't end up well, and this is why at the end your skin will start getting bad. Okay, now what is the dark truth? What is the dark truth with skin bleaching? What is the dark truth? The dark truth is, first of all, okay, there is an external and internal damage when it comes to bleaching your skin. There is an internal and external damage. Okay? Now, I need to use one thing as an example now. You know, when you buy bleach for your clothes, for your white clothes, right? You put the bleach in the water, you put your clothes inside, and your clothes will now remove all those stains, and then it goes white and all. But that looks nice, isn't it, in the beginning? But you notice that when you continue and you continuously bleaches that particular garment, it wears out quicker than any other garments that you have that you don't bleach. Right? Mhm. This is exactly what skin bleaching does to your skin. Okay? Rita said yes. Yes. This is exactly what skin bleaching does to your skin. Okay? When you bleach your skin, when you bleach your skin, hmm, you are shedding layers. You are shedding layers from your skin tissue. You're shedding layers of your skin tissue. And when you apply any skincare product on your skin, the reason that you're able to see that, oh my goodness, this particular skincare product is actually working is because your bloodstream absorbs it into your skin. That is why it's able to react to your skin, and you could start noticing a huge difference on your skin, whether in a bad way or in a good way. Okay. And this is what happens when you use skin bleaching products. Okay, your bloodstream absorbs it, and this is where the dark truth starts now. So your bloodstream absorbs it, so it's not only giving you internal damage, it's giving you what? It's not only giving you internal damage, is giving your skin external damage. Is damaging your skin internally. So it's not only damaging your skin externally, it's also doing the same what? Internally. Okay? And this is the dark truth behind skin bleaching. This is the dark truth behind it. And what are the internal damage? You'll be shocked when I tell you about the internal damage. You'll be very, very shocked right now, because some people don't know the internal damage with skin bleaching. Some people don't know about it. Now, the first one is most of these skin bleaching products have mercury in it. They will not tell you. They have mercury, they have high percentage of hydroquinone in it. Okay? And they have steroids in it. Yes, they do. Okay? I'm going to talk about the internal damage. Forget about the external damage, because that particular one is the one you can see. The ones that you cannot see is the most dangerous one. So you're not going to the hospital thinking your enemies they are out to get you, or thinking, oh, what did I eat that I'm reacting to this? Not knowing that your enemy is the one staring at in front of you there. The enemy is actually there in a bottle staring you in the eyes. Okay, liver failure and kidney failure. Liver damage and kidney failure is one of the internal damage you get when you use skincare products that has high percentage of mercury inside. Okay, and because most of all these skincare products, especially those ones that are able to change your skin to 3, 4, 5 shades lighter, they have mercury in it. Liver damage and kidney failure is one of the internal damage you get when you use skin bleaching cream. Now, first one. The second one is skin cancer. Skin cancer, you can get skin cancer by using creams that have high percentage of mercury, steroid, hydroquinone in it. Okay? Now, You get shakes, like the trembling of hands and all that. There's a neurological damage. There's a neurological damage that a lot of chronic skin bleaching, um, chronic skin bleachers get it. And most of them don't even know that, oh my goodness, this is the reason I'm getting this. Neurological damage, you get all the shakes. You get high blood pressure as well. It's also part of it. This is the dark truth of it. So not only are you damaging your skin externally, you are also damaging your body, what? Internally. You're also damaging your body internally. For those of you that don't know, which I meant to say yes. For those of you that don't know, is the truth. You can do your research. If you think Chikelibit is talking nonsense, you can do your research, because when I do skin bleaching videos, a lot of people come and they criticize me. Oh my goodness, you're talking this and that. I did a video last time about Caro White, and I got a comment on my page. And this lady came on my page and was like, everything you said about Coral White is not true, because I've been using Coral White. My skin now is not even, my skin doesn't look like what you mentioned. I've gone from being dark to like Rihanna kind of chocolate caramel skin. And you can check me on my page. I don't know if she just came there to advertise her page. You can check me on my page and you see I don't have any of all those things that you mentioned. And I was like, I don't usually reply to comments, but this lady is coming here and I'm making assumptions. Let me go and check her page out. You can check that video, the last video I did about Caro White, which is one cream that I detest. Sorry. So I went on her page, the Rihanna skin color woman. I went on her page, and my goodness, the Caro White, all the things that I mentioned about Caro White, the dark knuckles, the thinning of skin, the pear looking skin, she has the three of them. She has the three of them. You can check my last video about Caro White. There is a particular comment there that somebody says something that her skin now looks like Rihanna's skin. Check her skin and check Rihanna. I don't know where Rihanna came from. Check her skin and check Rihanna. Rita is laughing. Check her skin and check Rihanna and see if her skin looks anything like Rihanna's skin. I don't know if Rihanna is bleaching her skin, but whoever did the bleaching for Rihanna did a good job. But I think what happened is, when you look after your skin and do a lot of skincare treatment and all, your skin will start toning in a right way, in a natural way, not the bleaching kind of way. Your skin will start looking so beautiful. You will not have all those dark knee and all dark knuckles that you get when you don't exfoliate, especially exfoliating. So I think Rihanna probably did all that because she has money. So her skin is now glowing more than what her skin used to be. Because Rihanna's skin, for me, looks good. She doesn't have any of all those things that I mentioned, which means Rihanna toned her skin in a natural way. And you tone your skin in a natural way by using good skincare products, exfoliation, doing all the body treatments. Because you have money, can do that. You don't even have to have money to do it, but it's the consistency. So I went to her page and I was like, I came back and I had to reply to the comment, because I hardly reply to those kind of comments. But this particular one, I had to reply her to create awareness. I said, I've just been to your page and you have all these the side effects that I mentioned about carrot white. So my dear, the earlier you stop using carrot white, the better for you. The better for you. You know, it was horrible. It was horrible, and she didn't reply me. I wasn't expecting her to reply anyway. So when I talk about skin bleaching, I'm not saying it to judge anybody. And that video that I did about carrot white, I didn't do it to judge anybody. I'm only creating awareness because skin bleaching is becoming an epidemic. If you go back to my country, I come from Nigeria, originally from Nigeria, but I've been out of Nigeria half my life, more than 20 years now. But every time I go back home, it's sad what I see with my eyes. I'm even planning to do like a documentary because I need to hear the voices of women. I need to know why you're bleaching your skin. I want to do a documentary about it. I want to talk to women, my African women, my beautiful African women, the ones that have bleached their skin. I want to find out, what do they think? Is it something that they've regretted? Is it something that they don't mind? What prompted them to start using skincare, skin bleaching creams to change their skin color? What made them to do that? I would like to know. I would like to know. So in the future, in the coming months or so, I'm going to do a documentary about it. I want to go and ask people what actually made you. You don't have to show your face. What actually made you to leave the beautiful melanin that you have and try to change your skin color? What made you to do that? And what experience, what would you say that what has it taught you? What is your experience about it? Is it something that you are happy that you did? Are you happy that you did it, or are you regretting it? Are you regretting it? Are you saying to yourself, "I wish I never did. I wish I never did." So those are the internal damage when it comes to using skin bleaching cream. Like I said, most people use the creams without knowing that they have those kind of poisonous chemicals in it, especially those ones they call organic. Those organic are destroying people's skin. So those are the internal damage. Okay. And we need to come to terms the fact that our melanin is beautiful. We need to stop thinking that you have to be fair in order for you to be beautiful. We need to remove this mentality that white supremacy has put in our head, that if you're dark skin, you're not beautiful. Everyone is beautiful in their own way, and our dark melanin is beautiful. When you look after your dark melanin, it looks beautiful. You age well. Because all about the reason you have to look after your skin so that when you're aging, you age well. You don't want a situation whereby you are 50, somebody will think you're 60 or 70. You don't want that. So this is why you have to look after your skin. Please, as you're coming, give this live a thumbs up. I don't know why it's still on one. Nobody's clicking, or is it YouTube that is holding it? I don't know. Please give it a thumbs up. Give the live a thumbs up. So that's the thing. This issue of white supremacy, they've kind of our mindsets from childhood. They'll tell you that when you're, because most people will tell you, I started bleaching my skin because my boyfriend left me for a fairer lady, or someone told me that I'm too dark, or maybe my office they only employ first. There's so many stories out there that make people decide, okay, I really need to change my skin color. Or maybe it's just a personal you know lack of confidence, really, lack of faith in your own body, in your own skin. One or two, I'm sure people have different reasons. I've had different reasons that people told me why they changed their skin color. Some people don't even know that their skin color will change like that after using the product. Some people just did it. They're just looking for something to keep their skin, to glow their skin, and then all of a sudden they see themselves in a totally different skin tone that they're not expecting to see and have all the burns and everything. It's so sad, especially when someone use their money to buy something that damage their skin. It's not nice. So my advice as well for all these companies that are making all these skincare products for us dark skin and like, constantly damaging, putting things that will damage our skin, you need to also reconsider. I know you're trying to make money, but what about our own skin? You're making your skincare products, but you're not thinking of the people, the masses, the consumers, because the internal damage, people are dying out there. But that's none of your people's business. You just want to make money. So I wish there would be a lot of people that would like create awareness and let people know that, you know, skin bleaching is not good. It's just an epidemic that is damaging our that part of the world, the Asian community, the African community, the Middle East, the Caribbeans. It's just everywhere. Even some people go through bullies in their home families, telling them they are too dark and all. I get messages from clients telling me my family members they prefer my sister that is fairer. This why? Why? We are beautiful. Our dark skin is beautiful for a reason. We are dark for a reason. We are called Africans, Asians, Middle East, Caribbeans for a reason. That part of the world where we live, there's a reason why we have that skin. There's a reason why we have the sun. The melanin protects our skin from the sun, and that melanin it's more like protecting your skin barrier. You're not supposed to shed it off. Hi Tracy, how are you? Can you please mention again those three chemicals that can damage your skin? Okay, mercury, steroid, and hydroquinone. Those three chemicals. Whenever you're buying your skincare product, you need to check the ingredients. I say this every time in my videos. You need to check the ingredients. But most of all these skincare products that are made, um, uh, most of these companies, they hide the percentage. They hide it. And this was what I was talking about Carol White the last time. Carol White, they don't tell you how much hydroquinone in their cream. 2% of hydroquinone cannot make your skin, you go 3-4 shade lighter and you get all those dark knuckles and all. It's not real. And those organic products, stay away from them, except you know the company they are verified, their ingredients are verified, they have the stamp, and you know the ingredients. You know that this particular one, they are good. If not, please don't buy them. Don't buy them. I was talking to someone a few days ago on the phone, complaining about their skin, and they told me that, say, Chica, I cannot send you the picture of my skin right now. I just cannot. I can't even say. I don't know how to explain to you. I said, what do you mean? Say, I bought this skincare product. A friend of mine told me about it, and I bought it, and I used it, and it's kind of totally, my skin is like, I couldn't believe it that people can actually put such harmful ingredients in their skincare products, and they're selling it for people to buy. And just, they don't care whether your skin is burned, your skin tissue is burned. They just don't care about it. So those are the internal damage. Now let's look at the external damage of using skin bleaching creams. Okay, the first one is steroid acne. I wish I can show you the picture of what steroid acne looks like. I'm sure. Let me just look at my phone now. and I'll show you what steroid acne looks like. Okay, now don't know if you can see this very well. This is what steroid acne looks like. Okay, this is steroid acne. All right, now see that. That's steroid acne. Okay, now steroid acne is usually caused by when you're using skincare product that has high percentage of mercury. Okay, sometimes steroid acne can be hormonal, but we're not talking about the hormonal part of it. We're talking about when you use skin bleaching product, because some people, when they're trying to bleach their skin, when they stop, they will start having those. When they stop using the cream, sometimes when they're using the skin bleaching cream, their skin is fine, but immediately they stop, they will start having those big steroid acne on their face. They will stop having those big acne, will just start coming out from nowhere, and some of them are shocked. Why am I having this? Why am I having this reaction on my skin? Why am I getting this kind of reaction on my skin? You are not supposed to be um, surprised that you're getting it. The reason is because your skin tissue is damaged. Okay, you're not getting enough protection, and the bacteria, because when your skin tissue is damaged, it's like open. Is open because remember, like I said, those skin bleaching cream, they're shading up the layers. I wish you can see this thing in the you're shading up the skin layers of your skin. Okay, and because your skin tissue is being shed off, it's open to infection. It's very open to infection. It doesn't have any protective barrier anymore. Doesn't have anything that can protect it anymore, because you have damaged the protective barrier of your skin. If you use a microscope and look at the skin tissue that is damaged, the shock on your face, I think if you're someone using that skin bleaching cream, you probably run back to your house and pack everything and throw them as far away. There's usually a very huge difference between two people. Let's say one person has their skin tissue barrier is still strong and 100%, and then this other person has damaged their own, has shed off layers. You will see the amount of infection on top layer of your skin. You'll be shocked. So that is why you end up having all those steroid acne. Because steroid acne sometimes as a result of infection, bacteria, um, infected skin. Okay, and this is why um, skin bleaching. This is one of the dark truth of it. This is why it's not advisable for you to use anything that will shade your skin tissue off. Okay, because you're opening to infection. And another reason your skin tissue when it's shedding, one of the external damage as well is thinning of skin. I will show you now what thinning of skin looks like, because I have my phone here and I'll be showing you pictures so that as I'm saying it, you're examining it. So if you're someone that you've had that kind of uh, 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 side effect on your skin, you'll be able to know what to do. Okay. Please bear with me. Because I need to show them to you so it doesn't look like I'm talking too much and you don't know what I'm talking about. Now, this is what, don't look at this picture here. Look at this one. This one here. See the leg of that lady. See how the leg is. Let me zoom it a little bit more. See how the leg of this person is. Don't know if you can see. Let me bring it closer. See? This is what the leg of the person will be. See how thin the legs are there. See how thin the legs are. That's how someone that bleached their skin. That's what their legs will look like. Now, this is another one. This is, see the red veins. When your skin is thin, you see the veins come out. Okay? The veins will come out, and the reason you're seeing your veins like that, sometimes you see the veins on your skin, it's not a bad thing, but when your skin, you bleach your skin, the vein is usually different from the normal person skin. Okay, the green vein is usually different from your normal person that is not using skin bleaching cream. Okay, the skin, it things really bad, goes very bad. Okay, it goes very bad. It's thin, like it doesn't have any protective barrier. The skin to use are all gone, and that's what you get. That is the truth. That is the dark truth of everything. There's no, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be as honest as possible, and I'm going to be as brutal as possible, as I can. Honest as I can and brutal as I can. Because this is more like creating awareness. I do a lot of skin bleaching videos, and the reason is because I hate it, I detest it, and I want a lot of people, especially content creators like these skincare YouTubers, estheticians, you're dark or whatever, or you're from whichever country, as long as you have the melanin, to do videos like this just to create awareness instead of putting products out there telling people use this so that you can be fair. This one will make you fair in 10 days. This one will make you fair in 7 days. Why do you have to be fair? Why do you have to be fair to be beautiful? You don't have to. It's not necessary that you have to be fair to be beautiful. You don't have to be fair to be beautiful. Our melanin is beautiful. We have to appreciate it. Okay? Now, another external damage is dry skin. Okay? Dry skin is another external damage when it comes to skin bleaching. Dry skin. All right? When you do use skin bleaching product, you get dry skin. Very, very bad dry skin. Why? Because the natural oils on your skin is not returnable because of the skincare product you're using. It's not returnable. Those products are stripping your skin of natural oils. Your skin tissue is no longer active. They're no longer working for you. They're no longer doing the things that they're supposed to do because they're not protected. So you end up with very dry, old looking skin. Okay? Now, another one, skin paleness. You'll be very pale. You will not have natural color. You think you're fair and beautiful, but you're not. Let me show you. Now, look at this video here of this person. They went from dark to this fair color. Look at how pale the skin is. There's nothing natural about it. It's not natural. It's very pale looking. It doesn't look anything like a natural color. You will know that something is definitely wrong with this person's skin. There's nothing natural about it. So anyone that tells you that when you change the color of your skin tone, it makes you look better, you look this and that. There's nothing natural about your skin when you change it, the color of it. You look very pale, unnatural looking. Okay? It will not be like like someone that have like a normal skin, natural skin tone that is just toning their skin and making it glow. There's nothing. It doesn't. If you're using skin bleaching product, your skin doesn't glow. It just looks pale. It's not your natural skin color, and this is why when you stop, you notice that you start getting darker. And most people are usually afraid. They will come to me and say, "Oh, Chikeli Beauty, I'm getting really dark. I'm getting. I want my natural skin color back." I said, "But the color that you had before wasn't your natural skin color. You're getting dark because your skin tissue is healing. Let it heal. Don't use anything now that says lightening, brightening, whitening. Just use your natural moisturizer, cleanse your skin, and just let your skin tissue heal." When your skin tissue heals, it can take up to a year for your skin tissue to heal, depending on the degree of the damage that you did to your skin. Okay, after that, then once your natural skin tissue is healed, then your natural skin color, once your skin tissue is healed, then your natural skin color will start coming back to the normal that it's supposed to be. Okay, another side effect is white patches. Okay, white patches. I will show you what white patches are, what they look like. I want a very clear picture as possible as it can be, so that so that when as I'm saying it, you'll be able to you see. uh You'll be able to understand when I say white patches, because sometimes the the culprit behind white patches is usually hydroquinone. Okay, hydroquinone is usually the ingredient that gives you those white patches. It can be on your legs or on your face. The white patches can come on your face, on your legs. If you look at this lady very well, you see those white patches on her face. Can you see? Can you see the white patches that she has there on her face? Am I the only one watching myself here? Nobody's saying anything. Can you see the white patches? Yeah. So let me show you the white patches as well on legs. For those of you that don't know what white patches on legs look like. Some people are very silent viewers. They will not say anything, which is okay. See, this one is on legs. Have you seen it? This is what your legs will look like. Those white patches there. A lot of people that use skin bleaching cream have that. This is the ingredient, the culprit behind this is hydroquinone. Hydroquinone will give you these white patches. And the reason is because hydroquinone is a good ingredient actually. Hydroquinone is a very good ingredient in treating post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, the likes of melasma, dark spot. But hydroquinone um, has more disadvantages than, than advantages. The reason is because first thing is they are usually prescribed on a very low quantity. Okay, and you have to use it at a certain period of the duration that whichever dermatologist prescribed for you to use. Okay, but let me tell you why I don't like hydroquinone. The risk. Okay, now when I tell you the risk, then I will now talk about why it causes a lot of problems for we dark skin people, skin of color. I call us skin of color because we are skin of color. We produce a lot of melanin. So hydroquinone, I would not recommend it for, dermatologists, they work differently from us estheticians, because estheticians, not only did we study about skin treatment, we also study ingredients. It took me ages before I know ingredient every single day. You know about ingredients, you cram in your head, which is the contraindications, who should use it and who shouldn't use it, skin type that should use it and shouldn't. Hydroquinone is not, I would not recommend hydroquinone for someone with dark skin. And the reason is because hydroquinone is an enemy for dark skin tone people, and because especially someone in the tropical weather with the sun, hydroquinone and sun is just a no-no. They're the two enemies, sun and heat. So if they prescribe hydroquinone for you, and I'm saying this because a lot of people trust dermatologists. I raise my hands up for them. They are good. They know their work. Most of them are very good. But for us as black people, because that's what they call us, we black people, we have to be careful when you go to a dermatologist that's like don't know anything about our skin. Yes, they're doctors, and like I said, I respect them, but some of them don't know much about that skin. And the reason is because I get a lot of clients coming to me with burnt skin, burnt face, burnt skin tissue, damaged ones from being prescribed hydroquinone from dermatologists. For me, I feel like when you have skin problem, if it's something like eczema or maybe psoriasis or dermatitis, you need to look at your diet. What is it that I'm eating? allergy, do allergy test first before you start going to dermatologist. Do allergies test first to know, is there something I'm eating, is there a cream that I'm using that is causing it. Sometimes some skincare products can cause all those things, and some of your diet as well. And if a dermatologist is for you, just do like a patch test first. Do like a patch test first, please. Don't be packing it on your face, and it just, it has damaged a lot of people's skin. So hydroquinone, and but for white people it's good for their skin. It helps with the, you know, hyperpigmentation on their skin. But for us, we have to be very careful when we're using it. Okay. Now, but the worst part of it all is when you now have the very high percentage in a particular skincare product. You don't even know what the measurement is that they put inside. And that's where you will have this. That's where you have this damage. Okay. That's where you have this damage on your skin. That's where you have this damage. Every time I talk about skin bleaching, I get very emotional because being an esthetician of more than 15 years and working on our black skin, because when I did my course here, I tell people all the time, I did my course in Ireland. I've been in Ireland for more than 21 years. And when I did my beauty therapy course here, we did a lot of practice, but I never really studied more about black skin because I'm always doing my case studies on white skin. But what happened was when I finished, I went to Ghana and I worked in a beauty salon, a spa place, and then I learned a lot about dark skin. Then it kind of opened my eyes more to the fact that, ooh, there's a lot of difference between our skin tone and their own. It's the difference is just, and our dark skin is beautiful if you look after it. Okay, so this is what you get from using hydroquinone in a high percentage. This is one of the external side effects that you get when you're using dark skin, when you're using skin bleaching creams that have high percentage of hydroquinone. This is the side effect that you get. Okay. Now, another side effect of another external side effect is severe stretch marks. Okay, there is stretch marks and there is stretch marks. The stretch marks that you get from doing bleaching on your skin, okay, is not the same look as the stretch mark that you get if you just had a baby, or stretch mark as a woman. Okay, now I want to show you. See this woman's hand now. I don't know if you can see it. See this woman's hand. As you can see her skin, she's bleaching her skin. She's bleaching her skin. Okay, because her skin looks red. It looks very red, and that reddish in color, that redness is as a result of skin tissue burn. Have you noticed that a lot of people that use skin bleaching creams, most times their skin even will not even look pale, it will just look red, especially their face. They look very red. When you're using any particular skincare product, okay, and after the first, second, Maeve, my last one, she keeps coming peeping. After you use the first, second, third day, and you notice that that your face is going red, that is a sign of skin tissue burn. That is a sign that your skin tissue is telling you whatever you're using on me is not is actually damaging me, so you stop. Or if you notice that, oh my goodness, every time I use this particular product my skin gets really itchy, that's a sign that your skin tissue is telling you there is burn, so you stop. But people don't stop. And then after some time, about a week, you start seeing that black thing here on your face, because the skin around here is very, very thin. So any burn will usually start from under your eye area, because the skin around the eye area, the texture of the skin there is not the same as the skin on another part of your body. The skin on the other part of your body is thick, but the one around here, your eye area, is very thin. Okay? Now, when you have um that patches, okay, when you begin to notice that redness, if you don't stop, if you keep using, this is what your skin will now turn to. This is ochronosis. This is ochronosis. This is about at least 4 to 5 degree burn of your skin tissue. Okay, this is about 4 to 5 degree burn of your skin tissue. This one is under eye. A lot of people have it. This is ochronosis. It's very difficult to get rid of it. I have a lot of my clients come, I need to get rid of this. I'm like, most of them like it when I tell them the truth. Most of them like it when I tell them the truth. I just say to them, look, unfortunately, it's not possible to get rid of. If you have to do it, look for a good aesthetics that uses good laser peel. It's gonna be painful, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. It may end up getting a little bit better, but the likelihood of totally getting rid of it is just not possible. I say the truth, and most of them will say to me, Chikeli, I am very happy that you told me the truth, because I have spent so much money getting treatment and nobody is able to tell me that this cannot go. And they are happy. They accept it. What you can do then is just to start using things that you know that will just keep glow your skin basically, and just accept it. Okay. Tracy, I'd say, how about you make your own brand of product? If you can make your own brand of product, like I said, I sometimes I do my own moisturizers, body moisturizers. I can put that recipe if you want me to. I do my own body scrub. The only thing I don't make is soap. So yeah, if you can make your own brand of skincare product, make sure you get all the measurements right. But don't put hydroquinone inside. Somebody told me that when they were making their own cream, they went and they bought hydroquinone and they put, hi gosh, they put their own hydroquinone inside. And the damage, if I don't even want to start with that particular one, the damage, oh, so Tracy, yes, you can make your own skincare product. Magdalene is laughing. You can make your own skincare product, but please make sure you use good moisturizing. You see, our skin will just need to moisturize, and if you want to lighten that dark spot, just get serums. But the dark spot on your body, the secret to lightening your dark spots, the getting rid of them, is exfoliating and moisturizing your skin. It's just, that is it. Exfoliating and moisturizing your skin, body scrub, dry body brushing. I did a video last time. It's as simple as that. And when you're doing it 3 4 times a week, some at least three. Even if you cannot do 3 4 times, or do 2 times. And moisturizing your skin, look for a good moisturizer. You can get to one light one in the morning and then a dark one in the evening time. And you keep using it, you keep consistency. Within just doing it for 3 months only, you will see a huge difference on your skin. Even that light, like, your skin that you want it to be lighter, it will be lighter, but in a natural way. In a natural way. For your face, serums are, when you want to lighten your dark spot or make your skin to glow, it's serum. You cannot do without serum and moisture exfoliating your skin. You have to exfoliate your skin. And for our dark skin tone, please stay away from body scrub, face scrub. Don't use face scrub on your face. Face scrub is not good for our skin, for people of color. Acids, those AHAs, lactic acid, azelaic acid, mandelic acid, they're my three best acids that I use on my face. Azelaic acid, lactic acid, and mandelic acid. Okay, you can alternate between the three of them. Inky List has good ones. One of my favorite acid is mandelic acid from the Inky List. It's the best. I don't care what anybody says. As far as I'm concerned right now, it's the best in the market. Okay. Use serums, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, ceramide, alpha arbutin is okay, good for lightening your dark spots. I have done a lot of videos. And when you do consistency, some people tell me, Chikele, all these creams, how am I going to use it? I don't have time. But if there is series in Netflix, you will sit down and watch the series from episode 1 till episode 12. But you don't have time for your skin. You don't have time to look after your skin. You need to make a time. It's called self-care. And I think I'm going to do a video on that. Self-care. You have to look after yourself. You have to look after yourself. So I will tell you, I don't have money. Oh. This thing is too expensive. But if there's a party coming up next month and you have to buy a shebi, you buy the shebi, you buy new shoes and new handbag, but you put it on a skin that's looking like what I don't know. Look after your skin so that when you're getting old, you look good. That is the importance. Because when you're in your late 40s and 50s and you're coming to, you're going to an esthetician, you want a miracle. It doesn't happen like that. You have to start early. Tracy said, is it okay to use exfoliating glove when using body scrub? Yes, but not all the time. Okay? Let me tell you how I use it. Let me tell you how I use exfoliating gloves. Okay. I will use my shower gel first or my soap. Okay. Cleanse my skin, like wash. Okay. Then the exfoliating gloves, I use it on a body scrub that has, like, if it's a shower gel that has beads in it. You know those shower gels that has beads in it. But please don't use shower gels that has beads in it every single day. It's not advisable to scrub your skin every single day. It's not. You need to give your skin cells time to generate new ones. Okay? Every day will be too much. So those body scrubs, those shower gels that has beads in it. So I use it with the exfoliate, because remember exfoliating gloves, they're also body exfoliators. I use exfoliating gloves, but I don't use them all the time. I don't use them all the time. But it is advisable. You can use it with your shower gel. Okay, you can use exfoliating gloves. You put your shower gel on top and then you use it to scrub, because they are strong enough. They are strong enough. And you know all those African black soaps, like Moroccan soap, Dudu Osun, and all of them. Hmm? They are good. So whenever I'm using my Dudu Osun, I use my exfoliating gloves with it, or exfoliating sponge with it, because those Dudu Osun as well, they're good for removing all the dark spots on the skin, or just with hands. If I'm using my body scrub, I use it with my hands. I use it with my hand because they are strong enough. But you have to you have to scrub for like longer, at least 4 or 5 minutes. You give your body time, you scrub, you come back again, you scrub it, you come back again, you scrub it. Make sure you get to every area. And you know how people will say this person has body odor and all that. If you're scrubbing your skin all the time, you will not have any body odor. And you won't have any of all those dark knee, dark ankle, dark elbow, and all that. Even your scars will even be lighter. Moisturizing your skin is very important. Tracy, have I answered your question? I use my body scrub with my hand on a wet skin. on a wet skin. I don't use my body scrub on a dry skin. But I do dry body brushing on a dry skin. Okay. After my dry body brushing, oh my god, your skin will go so smooth. And not only that, it's kind of removing all the toxins. And water, people don't know how beautiful water is. Water is so beautiful if you want glowing skin. Okay, you need to be drinking water, especially warm water. Maybe first thing in the morning or late at night, you drink your warm water. So, those are the external damages, the ones I remember and the ones I don't remember. Even skin cancer. I think I mentioned skin cancer earlier. Skin cancer is usually from mercury or steroid. That's what skin cancer. So this is the thing about skin bleaching. There's nothing good about it. There's nothing beautiful about it. There's nothing that you remember about skin bleaching. You'll be like, oh, that's nice. No. So that is the dark truth. That's the dark truth. And it's something that we all need to um, talk about. If you know someone that is doing it, you can don't judge them. Don't judge them, because when you judge them, they will not stop. Just kind of explain to them, this thing, this product that you're using, do you think it's good on your skin? Do you really actually like it? Does it look nice? You just ask them questions, and then you ask them questions, then um you kind of I think everything that I mentioned, yeah, I think so. You kind of explain to them, look, this is the reason that maybe you should think of changing this product that you're using, because it may not be good for you, and this is the reason that I think it may not be good for you. But don't judge them. Don't judge them, because judging them is not nice. Judging them is a no. It's not nice. Okay, don't judge them, because most of them don't know. They just buy and use, but they don't know that it wouldn't look nice on them. They just buy it for the sake of buying, you know. Now, does anybody have any? Darling, is this absolutely? Yeah, absolutely. They just buy. Does anybody have any question? And Colin said, please, what body scrub is good for damaged skin? Um, to be honest with you, there is no particular body scrub that is good for damaged skin. Okay. The only thing is, if you know that your skin is sensitive, if you have sensitive skin, then you just try and avoid any body scrub that has very strong beads in it. But sensitive skin is usually on the face. Some people have sensitive skin on the face, but they will not have. This is one another thing that I forgot to mention. Skin bleaching causes sensitive skin, causes your skin to be very sensitive to other skincare products as well. It makes your skin very, very sensitive to other skincare products because of the skin tissue damage already. What kind of body scrub can lighten dark spots? Um, on my last video, if you go to my page, Tracy, are you a subscriber to my page? If you go to my last video on my page, sorry, my nose is just running. Weather is changing, it's getting cold. If you go to my last video, the last video I made before this one now, you will see where I talked about body scrub. And in that video, on the description box, there is a recipe for body scrub that will lighten your skin. This body scrub does lighten the skin. The lightening of the skin, I'm not talking about bleaching the skin, but regular use of it will lighten your dark spots. Okay. The last video I made about body scrub that can brighten your skin, I put that video there. So if you go, you check, it's there. I can't share the link. If not, I would have shared it. I would have shared it, the link for you. If I go to share any link now, that would be when I stop the. Just go on my page, Chikali Beauty. You check videos. The first you see the video that is just few days old that I made it. It was I think a few days ago that I made it. Yeah. Does anybody have any? Okay, I'm sorry. Magdalene said, please, what body scrub is good for damaged skin? Um, Damaged skin. Are you talking about skin bleaching that is damaged, or? I don't know if that would say there is a body scrub for damaged skin. Okay, and um, when your skin, if you just recently stop using any skin bleaching cream, maybe you're bleaching your skin before, and Magdalena, I know you don't bleach your skin, do you? Or maybe you're asking for someone, but anyway, I'll answer you. If you just finish, let's say you used to do skin bleaching and then you stopped, okay, and you're trying to get your skin tissue back, to repair your skin tissue, don't use any body scrub for now. Just leave your skin. The best thing you can do to your skin is to get your good hydrating serum, get your good hydrating moisturizer, and just be moisturizing your skin, putting all the serums and just eating right. Let your skin tissue heal. And also, food, vegetables can help your skin tissue to heal faster. Okay. Don't scrub. Your skin is so still sensitive. Your skin tissue is still very delicate. Do not scrub. But if you have stopped bleaching the skin for, let's say, months and months ago or years ago, and your skin is damaged and you want body scrub, any body scrub will be good. You have the sugar body scrub, you have the salt scrub, you have the oatmeal scrub. Any other body scrub is fine. You don't have to have, like, no, there's no specifics. But if you have just stopped, let's say you just stopped bleaching like few weeks or 2 3 weeks ago, please don't use anything on your skin because you're going to damage your skin more. Leave your skin to heal. Leave your skin tissue to heal before you go and start using anything. Where is this song coming from? It's coming from here. Coming from here, and I can't. It's coming from there, from the window. So let's see if I can use this thing. No, I can't. It's very high. So I hope it's not disturbing anyone's eyes. The rays from the sun. So you use you you let your skin tissue heal. Okay, you let your skin tissue heal. Once your skin tissue is healed, then you can now start using any scrub, and you're now using anything that can. If you have pigment from the damage, you can now start using something that will lighten the pigment, like the body scrubs and the serums, and not going back again to using whitening this, whitening that. I think that's all. Does anybody have any question before I go? I'm starving. I haven't had lunch. Anybody have any question? Any more question before we call it a day? If not, then okay, Tracy. And our silent viewers, our silent viewers. I don't say hello to Chicken Beauty. Our silent viewers. So, and another thing is, if you couldn't join this live, please try and rewatch it. Please help me share it on your page, share it on your WhatsApp status, because you don't know who you'll be saving their life, and you don't know who may be watching it that it will help in any time. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and that's it today about skin bleaching. Okay, if there's any other topic you want me to talk about that interests you, God, I'm so hungry. If there's any other topic that you want me, I'm eating all the nuts. You want me to talk about, I'll be happy to. I'm doing another live stream in the next 2 hours on TikTok. I have to go and prepare for that one. Look after yourself, everyone. And thank you so much for tuning in. I love you so much. And make sure if you haven't subscribed, you subscribe. If you haven't liked the video, click the like button and like it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Okay. Thank you and God bless you all. Love you. Mwah. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, Magdalene. Bye, Rita. Bye, Tracy.